Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Today we are going to discuss the Chiliz. What's the current price of Chiliz? What's the future price of Chiliz? What's going on this time in the Chiliz? And you know what, my friends, this video is going to be very interesting because in this video we are going to discuss the future. Is Chiliz will make you millionaire in 2021 or not? My friends, first of all, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button, also like this video, my friends. Hope you all subscribe my channel. My friends, the currently and latest price of the Chiliz at this time in the market is 0.229829 USD dollar. That's the current price of the Chiliz. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Chiliz, so the latest last 1 hour, last 1 day price change of the Chiliz is positive, and the previous 1 week price change of the Chiliz is negative. The previous change is negative. Let me show you the price chart of the Chiliz. My friends, as I told you, that in the previous time is a big time of the Chiliz. But that's not mean that every coin is falls for completely permanently. No, if the coin falls down, so that's not mean that there is a permanent. No, my friends, that's for short term. Every cryptocurrency falls down for some time, for 1 hour, for 1 week, for 1 month. But after 1 month falls, they again start pumping. So that's why Chiliz is not a bad coin, my friends, and personally I believe that Chiliz will give us profit. My friends, the price of Chiliz is low, and now as I told you that the currently condition, you can see here the currently latest situation of the Chiliz I think was better. Now at this time the price of Chiliz start moving upward. My friends, personally I believe and I'm sure that Chiliz will make you millionaire if you hold for long term, for 1 year, for 2 years, so they will make you millionaire. Thanks for watching this video. Please share your opinion and prediction about Chiliz channel in the comment box, and subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.